I'm Sam Biker, the bow tie bamboozler, and this is my lovely assistant Claire. Today we'll be pulling a rabbit out of this empty hat. Bibbidi bobbidi boo. For my next trick, I will make my assistant disappear. Bibbidi bobbidi boo. Pick a card, any card. For my next trick, I will be deciding which card she has in her hand. You have the 3 of hearts.
Yeah!
For my next trick, I'll be cutting my lovely assistant in half.
That is not gonna happen.
Wait, what? Where are you going? Why'd you leave? Okay, well in that case, for my next trick, I will be...
Hey, random stranger, you here to play some blackjack? Would you like another card?
Hit me.
21. You win.
Nice hand.
You guys are cheaters! You're never allowed in this casino again. Get up, let's go!
That's what you get for cheating.
Alright, 2 seconds left. This is go to the Super Bowl, down 2 points. They did it in 2018, we can do it again. Alright? Hook ladder, Z left, Y, 86 right. Got it?
Got it. Let's do this thing.
Ready? 88! 88, 96! Omaha, Omaha! Go!
We're going to the Super Bowl!
We're going to Disney World!
Yeah!
Yeah! Oh!
Josh and Anne-Marie broke their shoulders celebrating their touchdown and never played in the 2025 Super Bowl. Instead, Tom Brady went on to win his 10th ring.